So we closed on our newest project and we're really excited about it. I'm here today to take some measurements, but I thought I'd try to share the progress on this one a little bit better than the last ones. So here's the outside. It's a beautiful ranch, one level, or as we call them in Minnesota, it's a rambler. What's really cool about this location is this is in Roseville, which is like the prototypical American suburb. So much so that the first Target store ever was about a mile that way. And the first McDonald's in Minnesota was across the street or kitty corner from that in the same sort of area. So we're really close to kind of, I like to think, a little chunk of history from the 50s and 60s. And this house would have been, this was built in 55. So when the first Target opened, I think it would have been like 7 years old. So it's kind of a cool little tie-in with history, but there's a lot of cosmetics to be done here, not a whole lot of mechanicals, hopefully, we'll see. But I'll kind of walk you through what we're planning. Obviously, we're gonna get rid of these nice 70s mirrors, and we'll see what's behind there, maybe do some built-ins if we have space. There's some closets and things behind there from a front bedroom. We'll see if we can steal some space from that to make a little built-in. Otherwise, just clean that up and make the bricks look a little bit fresher and newer. Over here we have a little dining area. Obviously we've got original coved ceilings. This will actually be our third house with coved ceilings. We just love them, especially from that era. Through here's the kitchen. We're gonna open up this pocket door. We assume because it's a pocket door, the way that they're constructed, that there is already a header here. I think this is a load-bearing wall based on its location and the orientation of the roof. So we need to have a header if we open this up. Since there's a pocket door, there already should be one there. Now, as I do update videos, we'll see I'm probably wrong, but you never know. I hope I'm right. But we're gonna open this up a little bit more between the kitchen and the dining area. Here's the kitchen. Obviously, it's gonna be a complete gut and redo. Get rid of the soffits if we can. We'll find out what's behind those. Like the location of the window, so we're gonna leave that. Over here, they've got this funky little pantry thing, which is cool, but at the same time, we're losing a lot of valuable counter space. So we want to be able to have fridge, stove, microwave hood combo, or exhaust hood, we're not sure yet. We want to be able to have those there, so we need to get rid of that pantry and get a little bit more counter space in here as well. I don't know, I assume that they had before the fridge right here and the range right here, but with this pantry there, there's absolutely no counter space, and that just doesn't work. We need to maximize counter space in such a small space. So down here, there's a lot of flooring to get rid of. My demo guy's coming over to give me a bid this morning, so hopefully we'll know how much that's going to cost to get rid of all this stuff. So we have the one bathroom for up here currently. This is obviously a gut and redo. We might be able to salvage that tub since it's original. It's kind of cool to be able to save it whenever possible, but I don't really know. I kind of want to spend a little bit of time with some nice fine grit sandpaper and take off the layer of grime and just see what our enamel looks like underneath there. We can re-enamel these tubs, but if you got a lot of chips and flakes and things, it doesn't make much sense to do it. So there's that bathroom. So there's currently 3 bedrooms on this level. This one's the smallest. Nice lime green. And there's hardwoods underneath these. Gotta get rid of the carpet. We're gonna replace a lot of these windows, but we're gonna keep the same shape because this is really a great shape for bedrooms. You can have, your bed underneath that if you want. It doesn't, whereas standard height windows that go down to here inhibit where you can put a bed. These allow you to put a bed wherever you want. So this bedroom is gonna be combined with this bedroom. Nice big bedroom, and we're gonna add another bathroom to make a master suite and change this closet into a walk-in. So it'll be a nice master suite on this level. And then this front bedroom is also nice and big. Again, with these windows that kind of let you put the bed wherever you want, because they're nice and high off the ground. Small closet on this side, but there's another closet behind the door. So these are what's behind the fireplace in that front room. I'm thinking we don't want to cut the depth of these back too much, so we'll probably leave them, but we'll see. As we demo the mirror out, we'll see what it looks like. But it's nice to have two little closets in this room. This would be a great, you know, either a nursery or an office for somebody, depending on what they want to do. All right, we'll go back down through here. So it's currently a 5-bedroom, 2-bath. We're going to convert it to a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and one of those baths is a master suite or master bath. We'll go down the steps. So there's a nice family room down here. You know, good ceiling height in this part. Obviously there's ductwork and things you can't get around, but laundry room right here. Just nice, needs to be cleaned up and refreshed. You know, repaint the brick. There are 2 sump pumps in this house, which is really nice. Hopefully that keeps the water at bay. We'll find out as the snow melts and stuff, but hopefully we don't have too many water issues here, but we'll find out. This is a pump room, which is just kind of standard in this part of Minnesota. This is, you know, used to have wells and used to have coal delivered and stuff like that, and now they're just used for the city water connection. There's another bathroom down here. This is a 3/4. You know, it's not pretty, but it's functional. So we're gonna leave this intact during construction for use, and then just kind of freshen it up and do a light cosmetic rehab on it when we're done with the upstairs bathrooms. There is a fireplace down here as well. This is wood burning. The one upstairs has been converted to gas. I don't know if, we'll see, we might just dress this up or we might convert it to gas, but I think more than likely it's just gonna get dressed up for budget reasons. And then there's 2 small bedrooms down here. And who knows, it might make more sense as we explore the comps and stuff to pull this wall out and just have 1 bedroom down here, and then it becomes a 3-3, but with a master suite. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see. We kind of like to wing it a little bit as projects go on. These obviously both have nice big egress windows, so these are legal bedrooms down here. And then mechanicals. The furnace is running a little bit, which is cool. I don't know what the temp isn't very hot in here right now, but it's got a little bit of heat coming off that. I want to have an HVAC guy come in and check it out and just see what's going on with it, see if it's worth, you know, salvaging. But it is pretty old, so we might end up replacing it if there's rust in the heat exchanger. But that's where we're at.